And Gremlin Ears Leonidas is just bugging his brother. He was just laying there. Lincoln, the one-shoe dog, was just laying there minding his own business. Oh, he's biting his brother's neck like a turkey neck. Oh, boy. He's trying to get even with his brother. Oh, his brother was just laying down there, minding his own business. Oh, there they go. Oh, boy. You know who the instigator is. Gremlin Ears Leonidas is the instigator. His brother was just laying down in the grass right there, minding his own business, and there they go. Oh, oh. Who's gonna bite whose ear off? Oh, the instigator right there. Oh boy. There they go. Oh, these two dogs arguing over nothing. The instigator right there. Gremlin Ears Leonidas. Oh. 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 Go away in shame, Gremlin Ears Leonidas. How dare you disturb your brother, Lincoln the one-shoe dog. How dare you disturb your brother, Lincoln the one-shoe dog. Gremlin Ears. Oh. Gremlin Ears, how dare you disturb your brother, Lincoln the one-shoe dog. He was laying down, minding his own business. And there's Lincoln the one-shoe dog. Gremlin Ears. Gremlin Ears. Lincoln! Stop eating it. Don't. There he goes. There they go. Two quirky dogs. Two quirky dogs. Whew. Disturbing his brother. Bugging his brother. Why do you have to bug your brother? He was just laying down, minding his own business. How dare you, Gremlin Ears Leonidas? How dare you, Gremlin Ears Leonidas, disturb your brother. And now, the action has stopped. The action has stopped with these two quirky dogs. They're inside the house now. Let's see where they went to. Let's see where these two dogs went to. I don't know. What's with their quirky minds. Let's see where they went to. Maybe they'll sleep again. Let's go inside this house here. Let's see. I think Gremlin Ears Lincoln the one-shoe dog's house. There we go. We're inside here. And there's Lincoln's brother. Gremlin Ears Leonidas right there. Gremlin Ears Leonidas. Are you proud of yourself? You disturbed your brother. Lincoln the one-shoe dog. Are you proud of yourself? You disturbed him. You bit him. You're an instigator. Yes, you. You think you're innocent, but you're not. No, no, no. You're not innocent. No, no, no. You're not innocent. What's with you? What is with you? What's going through that mind of yours? Who knows? Yeah, sure. Act tired. Because you instigated your brother, Lincoln the one-shoe dog. Let's go see where he is. One-shoe! One-shoe! Come here, one-shoe! Yeah, there he is. He's tired. And, oh, instigator. Mr. Instigator. Go in that room. And keep away from your brother, Lincoln the one-shoe dog. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buttons McGee. Thank you and have a great day.